Yakisoka simba munu muntu ngoma kusimbi kutata. Maya kamene ya keba ngoma kusimbiko. Ngoma mkunu ina mumakinu mabambu saya ya kukeri. Yakisoka bula munu muntu ngoma kukuri kwe. Maya kamene ya keba ngoma kusimbiko. Ngoma mkunu ina mumakinu mabambu saya ya kukeri. Tamambu kina kwa kutata ngoma kusimbiko. Tamambu ntiala zibune timeso bana funubena. Iunwina kwa kubuta tata kukeri. Kindo kingangu zibusoba magata masukiri kyari. Kindo kingangu zibusoba magata masukiri. Uyambula bana basari bakeri. Mbongo nsala munsala yaya. Kyari Muma kujiriri Onto munti mpangani ya zifusola Kuyiririe kyari Muma kuyiririe Oke chaswe kyari Malabazione Ina kikala kinta Mchangu zisiri Oya Franco Sisiri kibeki Matanga mase Kuyiririe kyali Kuma kuyiririe Oke chaswe kyali Malabansione Ina kikala kinta Changu sisiri Oya Franco Sisiri kibeki Matanga mase Tuyambula ikina kwa mikize iko Ipo tarutumba chikile kusani Ikina kwa mwe Danchala kina kwa ku
Kina ngoma Kina
Makela kina kwa ku
Kina ngoma
Kina Kimbendi kina kwa ku
Kina ngoma
Takanda kina kwa ku
Kina ngoma
Dansamba kina kwa ku
Kina ngoma
Mafuta kina kwa ku
Kina ngoma
Dansenga kina kwa ku
Kina ngoma
Marazilongo kina kwa ku
Kina ngoma
Yasongira kina kwa kwe Matalanza kina kwa kwe Tuyambula ikina kwa mikize iko Ipo tampuli nsikile kizangi Ikina kwa mwe Mbala mayela kina kwa ku
Kina ngoma
Sarasala kina kwa ku
Kina ngoma
Damboaki kina kwa ku
Kina ngoma
Loko mavanga kina kwa ku
Kina ngoma
Ako Lusingu kyari Get down Ana matabi Abinanki Kwidi ontu
Abeno kukitsasa Abeno kumafuna Luwangoma Luleke la minumu okejaza Aya bless
Bisoka
Willie Ange
Wala mama
Kina ngoma Simple Ningisa Ningisa Agueno muluketo
Kuyiririe kyali Kuma kuyiririe kyali Kuma kuyiririe Susu zikokele yaya Kuma kuyiririe Yafedi ndombi pakandi makoto Tukina kwetu jaya Tuyambula ikina kwa mikize iko Ipa munu mwana tata kisala tata luyambula ikina kwa mikize iko ipa mundu mwana mama ya mama. Okay, jase, banabansione. Okay, jase, banabansione. Tuyambula ikina kwa mikize iko ipa mundu mwana tata kisoka tata. Luyambula ikina kwa mikize iko ipa mundu chalu belu makabitata. Turinko ikina kwa
Kina ngoma,
Kisenga kina kwako,
kina ngoma,
Samuel Mayela kina kwako,
kina ngoma,
Maluke tu kina kwako,
kina ngoma,
Ndondi kipako kina kwako,
kina ngoma,
Kuyiriye kali, kuma kuyiriye, oke chase kali, banabansione, kina kikala kikali, tangu sisiri, oya Franco sisiri, matanga mase. Kuyiriye kali, kuma kuyiriye, oke chase kali, banabansione, kina kikala kikali, tangu sisiri, oya Franco sisiri, matanga mase, efundinga kina kwako,
kina ngoma,
basonga kina kwako,
kina ngoma,
wala kimase kina kwako,
kina ngoma,
kimo kifungu kina kwako,
kina ngoma,
ya kolo matadi kina kwako,
kina ngoma,
ukisegi njumba kina kwako,
kina ngoma,
noko kembo kina kwako,
kina ngoma,
ombemba kina kwako,
kina ngoma,
sino kina kwako,
kina ngoma,
la chimundele kina kwako,
kina ngoma,
ya falantika kina kwako,
kina ngoma,
ya majelga kina kwako,
kina ngoma,
ya matinda kina kwako.
Kambote, welcome. We are going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom. Congo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Thank you very much, Tata Alain. Your name was Tariwa. Thank you for the time. Kiambote, Tata Alain.
Kiambo te tata mpanzu.
Donama vimpi, eh? Can you hear me, Tata Alain? Donama vimpi, Tata Alain.
Ingeta. Tunama vimpi. Yeyeno, eh?
Yete tunama vimpi, titondele. Kiambote, nengwa Tariwa.
Kiambote.
Donama vimpi, eh?
Ingeta, tunama vimpi yeyenwe.
Yete tunama vimpi, titondele. Well done, well done. Today we are going to learn. I think Tata Dave is coming late. We'll be late. We're going to learn about Congo culture. I mean the Luvila genealogy. Luvila. Let me just share my screen. Tata Alain. I mean we will be reading. Then I will try to explain if there's questions. Okay, questions. Yes. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Tata Alain, please, can you read for us, please?
The 12 original clans that created Kongo Kingdom. Here they are. 1. Vuzi dia Nkuwu.
Mm-hmm.
2. Panzua Ntanku.
Well then.
3. Tumbam
Tumbamvemba. Mm-hmm.
Tumbamvemba.
Mm-hmm.
4. Nakongo Nalumbu.
Congo Lumbu. Mm-hmm.
5. Tsaku Navunda.
Now, thank you. Tata, then what can you carry on, please? Thank you, Tata.
Nzambu.
Nzambu Apakasa.
Pakasa. Mpakasa. Mpondi ya wala.
Pondi ya wala. Mm-hmm.
Nkozo ambemba.
Konzo amvemba. Mm-hmm.
Kozo ambemba.
Mm-hmm.
Na vela.
Mm-hmm.
Nanga Congo.
Nanga Congo. Mm-hmm.
Nanga Mvika.
Kanga Mvika. Mm-hmm.
Kanga Mvika. Then Kinlaza.
Kinlaza. Oh, well done. Totally. Okay. You read and ask me a question. It is in English anyway. Totally, please.
Okay. Congo people are matrilineal. It means that women rule in matters related to life in the family. It is called Kanda, matrilineal clan in Kikongo. Each Kanda has their own passcode unique to their Kanda. In Kanda, mother's blood lineage name leads to one of the 12 original clans that created Kongo Kingdom.
Yes, get that. 12 at the top. Any question?
Yeah. Well, I do have questions, right? So, out of the original 12, they've since expanded, right? I mean, there should be a lot more lineages that kind of go back to this. And the only reason why I say that is because I know I guess you can say, is it Luvila?
Luvila, yes.
Right. So I guess I am named Panzu, but then my dad is named Asaki.
Okay.
But
wow,
how do you go back and trace the lineages from the original to the current?
Okay, I see. Okay.
Maybe that's the question I'm
yeah,
trying to ask.
we'll come back to that later. Good question. Thank you very much. There's a slide I'm going to explain. Keep this in mind.
Okay.
We'll come back to that later. Nengotariwa. Question?
Yes, those are the questions. So
Same question.
Kanda, is it
Mhm.
also similar to like the movie Black Panther, right? And like
Movie?
they
Sorry.
called the movie Black Panther. They called
Yeah.
the basically Africa at that time
Mm.
Wakanda. So is
Mm.
it so that Kanda that's in that word, is it similar to this Kanda or no?
I wouldn't say no, because Wakanda is that is I watched the documentary about that movie. I think it's from I mean inspired from local people in West Africa. I can't remember Benin or Togo, one of French West
Okay.
African country. Yeah,
Okay.
Kanda. I mean, I'm not sure, but it's interesting. Kanda. Yeah,
Okay.
that time, please.
Mitochondrial DNA Kanda is inherited directly from your matrilineal line, only meaning your mother's mother's mother on up your family tree until you run out of direct line mothers that you've identified.
Yes, this is a quote from. You can see the website. So, but Congo people knew, understood understood genetics, yeah, before modern science. I mean, in their own ways, yeah, of course. Okay, we're going back. Tata David is here. Hello, Tata David.
Kiambote.
Jambo, Tata. Thank you very much for making time. We're going back, Tata David. I remember we did that the last year, I think, but we have to go back. It's very important. Okay, I'm just I'm going to read quickly. These are the 12, the original clans, yes. Wewe Vuzi Diankuu, Panzwa Tsaku, Ntumba Mvemba, na Kongo na Lumbu, Tsaku na Vunda, Nzambu wa Pagasa, Ondia Wala, Nkozo wa Mvemba, na Vela, Nanga Kongo, Kanga Mvika, Kinlaza. These are the 12. Then, oh, Tata David, can you read for us, please?
Happy to. Congo
Thank you.
people are matrilineal. It means that woman rules in matters related to life in the family. It is called Kanda in Kikongo. Each Kanda has their own passcode unique to their Kanda. And Kanda, mother's blood lineage name, leads to one of the 12 original clans that created Kongo Kingdom.
Yes. Without offense, this is before feminism, you know. Woman rules in Congo Kingdom. Yeah, Tatale. Then God tell you, aren't you proud? Yeah. See, we knew
Yeah.
we knew what we were doing before the arrival of yeah, that David before the arrival of Western people. Tell David, please.
Mhm. Mitochondrial DNA, Kanda, is inherited directly from your matrilineal line only, meaning your mother's 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 mother on up your family tree until you run out of direct line mothers that you've identified.
Yeah, thank you. This is a quote from the. You can see the website is there.
Mhm.
Tell David, any question?
No, no.
Oh, okay, good. David, Allen, please.
Okay, Kanda matrilineal clan in Kikongo. Congo people knew about genetics in their own way before modern science. When Congolese person, Congo Mukongo, Congo Kingdom native, asks, Nki Luvila Luaku,
Well done.
what is your genealogy? They really mean, are you one of us?
Yeah, thank you very much. For whoever is watching, people who research on African studies, I mean, you're welcome to follow us. This is very important to understand. When the Congo people, when I say Congo people, I mean we're going back to the original. We are corrupted nowadays, you know. I'm Congo, but okay. You know what I'm trying to say. When I ask you, Ki Luvila Luaku, which is what is your genealogy, but what they mean, who are you? Because in those days they used to, sorry, sadly, sell people, see, slaves. There was slavery. I mean, okay, I don't go, but this is what we mean because we when there was slavery among Africa, it's not what we call now what's happened to the men, what the Western did to us, Africa, exporting human. This is not the same thing. Hmm? I mean, I'm not trying to justify. It's bad, but we need to understand the context here. Because when you talk about slavery in the first century, in Middle East, then we come to the transatlantic. It's not the same thing. It is bad, of course. In that sense, it's the same bad, but you need to put into context. Okay, when I ask you, kill Vida Ruaku, because people used to travel and people were sold, are you one of us? If you are not able to say what with your villa, people would assume that okay, maybe he's not one of us. That's why when people say the code de Luvila, let's say my Luvila, my matrilineal, it is Kinlungu, then followed by 13 words. You have to do this Kundama Konzo. Respect. It's like bowing, you know? You need to say that. Meaning that you are not sold. You are one of us. You are genuine. Sorry, we are live, but we're not want to offend people. We just try to explain. We need to understand history. Very important. Tatalan, please. This is the first word of my clan. We are Kanda. Tatalan, what is Kanda in English?
Clan.
Yeah,
Sorry,
Kanda.
it's
Tatalan.
clan,
Yeah.
clan.
It is clan, but from the side, your mother side.
Right.
Yeah, okay.
Because we are remember we are matri.
Oh yeah, that's right. No, that's right. You're right. You're
Very
right.
important to remember.
Yeah.
All this light, I'm not teaching about men, see? Sorry, quote unquote, we don't care about men. Woman has woman has power. Tata Allen, please.
Kinlungu is the main name of my clan, but you have 13 words after, which are unique identifier of my maternal clan. Remember, Congo people are matrilineal. It goes back to infinite generation of my mom's mom, grandmother's mom, great grandmothers until forever. The chance for another clan to have the same exact 13 names after the main name as mine and in some order is one in billion. Isn't it science?
Yeah, ask me questions. Let me
Yeah.
tell you.
So I guess I'm a little bit. I guess I'm a little bit. What do when you say like the 13 words after?
Okay, don't worry. I'm going to ask you a question. The next slide. Tata, do you have any questions?
Well, yeah, I see that you have you spell out what those words are that define your very, very specific genealogy underneath in small type.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mfumbu,
Oh,
Uwira, Kuma,
Oh, that's what that means. Okay,
Ukulanga,
I see.
down there. So that's your entire identifier for your
exactly.
matrilineal clan.
That's my
Oh,
passcode.
you know,
Tata Allen,
I didn't know
sorry.
that. No, I was never taught that.
Me neither.
Yeah,
See, Tata
me
Allen, you see the coming back to your question, Tata Allen.
Hmm.
This is a Pandu. This is a Pandu.
Yeah.
It is one of the 12. See,
Okay, I see.
your question. I can't remember your question, but basically, people they got tired. They don't bother about all the proper passcode. They will just say the first two words. See, but you should be able to quote and up
yeah,
to
the whole thing.
and out to the end 112.
Yeah.
I read with that.
That was very ingenious of them. I mean, that
Yeah, I mean,
Mhm.
mind
wow.
boggling. Yeah? I mean, okay, we are live. I don't want to say too, too much. Yeah. Okay, let me try to read it in Kikongo. Kilungu. Always remember ki is prefix. Lungu is the canoe, yeah?
Hmm.
Lungu is canoe. Mm. Kilungu mfumbulu lwiva kyuma kitutulanga utoto matekelo mfumu katanu kuna ngoma panzo. Don't ask me for the meaning. I don't, my grandmom knows. My grandmom knows. I don't know what does it mean. But I know some words here. Lwiva ngoma. It is bongo. How do you call it? Tam tam in French they call it. Ngoma. Panzo is the 12. One with the 12. Mm. Then what are you?
So
Read fast.
people had to, yes, I am. So people had to memorize it. So
Oh
whenever anyone
yeah.
asked
Oh
them, they had
yeah.
to say the whole sequence.
This is a must. This is a must. I mean, we're talking, let's go 50 years ago or more than that. People were, I mean, if you have that, you have a children, apart from feeding them, taking care of them in terms of health, I mean, feeding them, caring for them, you must tell your children to memorize who they are. What is the Luvila? Mm?
Okay.
People don't care. I mean, I don't mean don't care, but they say that you can say my name is so and so, but I'm not sure who you are. See,
Mm.
until they say I'm in Kinlungu. This land, all this land is like saying that I'm from the village X in state of California, yeah, and district X, county X. Then you come up to California. Then I'm America. See the identity. See.
Hmm.
It's clear, no? Very specific, integral. Yeah.
Sure.
Can we move, yes, to the next one? That is puzzling, yeah, is it?
Yeah, no, I'm no, I have a much great appreciation of that whole because I was never taught this
Yeah, we
part
need,
of it.
we need to respect our forefathers, no? Hmm?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Very, very,
Yeah.
very, very,
Are your parents Congolese, Alain?
Yes.
we need to respect them. They were smart, This is
Mhm.
before the microscope, before the modern genetics, They,
Mhm.
they, they knew who they were, see? Okay, now the crunch. That is
Okay. We don't have surnames. There is no Kikongo word for cousin. We don't have extended family.
yes. That we're talking Congo before
Mhm.
the arrival of the Western. See, this is ours. Don't be ashamed of being you. We are who we are. Mm.
No,
We don't
it,
have
it, it
some.
reminds me of my childhood because like what we call extended family today didn't really. That's why it was normal for an uncle to raise a nephew. It
We
was
come. We come into that. We come there. Hold on. We come in
okay.
there.
Okay,
Don't
sorry,
worry.
sorry, sorry. I'm getting ahead of
Yeah.
myself.
No, no, it's fine. It's fine. Let me just read my footnote there. Very important.
These are Western concepts. Congo people are not of the philosophy of the individual autonomy. I mean the existentialism of Jean Paul Sartre, Albert Camus, etc., Greek Roman mindset in general.
Yeah, thank you. I mean, whoever reads or understands philosophy, you know what I'm talking about.
Sure.
Uh, existentialism of these atheists.
Mhm.
Basically, the application this, yeah, the application this. Hmm? This is the application. Me. 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 But Africa, no, Africa. But Congo people, no. That please.
Your name has a value of a nickname. Your true
Which,
identity
oh,
is your. Oh, can you guys hear me?
go.
Okay,
I'm
yeah.
there.
Your true
Yeah, go.
identity is your Luvila.
Mm,
Brother equal Mpangi Yakala.
mm,
Sister equal Mpangi Ankento.
mm.
Sangha, a brother or sister of the opposite sex only. Example, i.e., a brother uses it of a sister and vice versa.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Can you find it in French? This one? Have you got this in French? No.
No.
In English, no.
No.
In Portuguese, no.
Yeah.
This is us, man. Before they went there. See? Any question that I'm gonna tell you?
No.
Yeah. Tanga. I like Tanga. I only call my brother. I don't call my brother Tanga. My Tanga is my sister, and
Mm.
my sister does not call her sister Tanga. Hmm? My
She
sister
calls
will
her
call
brother sister.
brother. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm coming back to this because it's not clear. I need to check, use the PDF file. Tatanen, over to you again, please.
Mom's sisters are also my mom.
Yes.
Mom's brothers are called
Ngwakazi.
Ngwankazi.
Ngwakazi, yeah.
Long live the mother.
Yeah.
My mom's sister's son and daughters are my brothers and sisters.
Yes. You basically answer your question, Tata. Not your question, you said about extended. We don't have that concept. Mm. This Roman and the rest concept, philosophy of individual autonomy. Any question with this? This is clear, I think.
No, it
Mom,
makes
sister,
perfect sense. It makes perfect sense. And
yeah.
you know,
Mom, sister.
because of our experience, African American experience with slavery in this
Mm.
country, you know, we all white people in America always thought it was strange, but we all call each other brother and sister,
Yes.
and
Mm.
that's because our families were deliberately split up and
Mm.
sold
Certainly.
apart, you know. And
Mm.
so wherever you found yourself among your people,
Mm.
everyone was used to thinking of the whole population of a plantation as extended family.
Mm. Mm. I got you, yeah. Thank you. Ngotediwa?
No, I'm just absorbing everything that I'm learning.
No, I will send you the file. I will email you. File. That time,
Nkanda, Congo people matrilineal
mm,
lineages.
mm,
Fumu Kanda,
mm.
Ngwa,
Ngwakazi.
Ngwankazi, maternal uncle, only the lord of the clan.
Mm. Yeah, he is the only the lord of the clan. Mm.
So what does that mean exactly?
Mm.
Ah. I need to, I need to ask for someone permission before I give you a practical example of my own family. You know.
Yeah, no, because I was thinking, I understand it. Like when it comes to like family affairs, for example,
Mm.
because is this explaining the role of no, this is the maternal uncle, right? So
Mhm.
what happens in like in marriages and stuff where you have now the uncles speak on behalf? Like what's the correlation between the maternal uncle or is it the paternal uncle that has that right? That's what the
Maternal uncle. That's what we said is the Lord because we are matrilineal. Lady side is in command. See, so my sister, I have 5 sisters. Let's say I have just an example. I have 5 sisters. I am the only man, or we are two. One of us, the general, the oldest one, is the Fumukanda. My sister children, when it comes to traditional wedding, I have a special prerogatives. See,
Mm-hmm.
Let me just give you a quick example because we don't have time to go into detail. When on my wedding day, I mean traditional wedding day, I mean for us this is a wedding. For us, Congo, this is the wedding. You can go. This is another chapter. One day we'll talk about that. You can to Congo people go to church, marry in the church. That's fine to the state, but as long as there's no traditional wedding, you are not married. You are not considered as the husband to the lady. See what I'm saying to the So Fumukanda has special prerogatives. Quickly, on that day, we give the groom you give 12 pack of soft drink and 6 soft drink alcohol 12. We only give 12. This is tradition. But on that day, my wife's mom's uncle requested 13. By law, tradition. By tradition, this is breaking tradition. My uncle, my dad said that. My uncle on our side, they said, okay, this is unbelievable. Never been done before. We're going to give you 13 just because the Lord of the clan requested that. See? Ngwakazi. Ngwakazi of my mother-in-law, see? So this is where Ngwakazi comes, the power they have. Did you understand that, totally? Yeah, totally. This is hard, but this is African. Name what I do.
I have no questions.
Okay, thank you. Of course, as any institution, there's always abuses, no? Some people are not perfect, see? But Ngwakazi has power. Very, very powerful person in the family. I was about to tell a story, but I need to ask for someone permission. I can't do it now.
Okay.
I can't do it live. Can't do it live. That time, please.
Mom's brothers, sons, and daughters are also my children because their dads are from same kanda as my mom.
Yeah. Is it clear? This is lady only, lady, woman. Yeah. Nathaniel, did you understand that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I got it. I got it.
You got it. That's right. Yeah, we're coming to that soon. Tatan Kento. Tataling.
Dad's brothers are also my dads. Dad's sisters are my tata kentu, female
Okay.
dads.
Yeah.
Dad's brothers, sons, and daughters are my brothers and sisters.
Yeah, as Tata David was saying, this is a concept of family. See,
Okay.
my brother, until now, we are London. My children were born here. The first one back home, but most of them were born. They have this concept because to us, I mean, too much to giving, you know. This is us, you know. We know, but we are not perfect. We copy. I mean, we can't help sometimes, but these are core stuff, you know. To them, my brothers are not uncles. I mean, uncle. You see what I'm trying to say? But in African way, this is more, is your dad. As long as your brothers, they have the same blood, they are their dads as well.
Okay.
I mean, I'm trying to control myself because I don't like to just keep saying things because very sensitive area. Yeah, so this is female that Tatan Kento. Keep in mind, remember, woman rules in the Congo tradition. Woman. Tatan Kento is a lady. She has more power than your dad when it comes to this wedding.
Mm-hmm.
Then on the other side, if you flip it over, the mom side, mom has power. Ngwaka is taking over on behalf of mom. See what I'm trying to say, Tata? Mm.
Mm.
That side, Tata Kento. That's why when there's I think Mom Tata would understand that. When we have a traditional wedding, Tata Kento stands at the door. The groom should not wouldn't get in until Tata can say yes. Yes, Tata can. This
Yeah.
is
Oh, you know. Okay, but that's only if right. That's if a daughter is getting married, right?
yeah. If you are
Meaning,
Tata Kento, if you are Tata Kento, your brother's daughter, yeah, your brother's daughter, yeah.
right. So the roles kind of change depending on which gender of the child is being married. Meaning, if it's the daughter versus the son, then there are different factors on who plays what role.
No, I don't
No?
understand. We're talking about ladies only here, ladies.
Oh, okay, 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 okay,
Only
okay.
ladies, that's it. Because when my dad, my son goes, is a groom, she wants to marry Congo ladies. Now the power is not, I don't have power. Power is on the other side. The ladies,
Okay.
the bride family, see? Bride
Mhm.
mom. Mm.
Mm.
Am I clear, Tadali?
Yeah,
Basically,
yeah,
mom
yeah,
is
yeah. No,
not
I
here.
got it, I got it, I got
Man
it,
is
I
not
got it.
here. You man, girl, no, not here. This is before feminism, you know. We knew that. Mm. They did teach. we we knew that before they went there. That time, please.
Dad's sister's son and daughters are also my parents. Because they are from same kanda as my dad, they are called Tata Kento girls and Tata boys.
Okay.
Mm. Yeah, you see, the Tata came to here. The Tata, word Tata is a nobility. See, the the
Mm.
the, the word Tata here. Tata is man, sir, but here Tata
Okay.
is nobility for the lady. See,
Okay.
Okay.
is it clear? Tata, Tata,
Yeah,
Tata,
yeah,
David?
yeah.
Yeah. See, because in this case we're flipping over. This is your Tata Kento now. Mm. Your Tata Kento, same kanda
Mm.
as your dad. Almost there. Tata, can you try to help Tata Ellen, please? Can you read for us, please?
Sure. Tatangento, female dad. She has, well, I'll start at the beginning. Kise, Congo people patrilineal
Mm, mm, mm,
lineages.
mm,
Tatangento, female dad. She has special prerogatives in affairs related to her brother's children.
yes. Tata Ellen, remember, what is the matrilineal in Kikongo? Tata Ellen?
I'm sorry.
Beginning
Can you repeat?
matrilineal, how would you call it in Kikongo? Beginning with K. Matrilineal lineage, we
Oh,
call it,
Kanda?
yes, well done, Kanda. Then this is a patrilineal, we call it Kise. Mm?
Oh, okay.
Kise says that, you know. Mm?
Mm.
So female dad. This is what exactly I said before. She has special prerogatives affairs related to her brother's children.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Let me try to read it. Pumu, Lord, I am because my Kandan, my mom lineage. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
I am Pumu of Kinlungu clan. There's a lady there, mom's Kanda. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
I'm one son. Well, I mean, quote unquote son, we don't mean son in the English sense, see? Mm.
Mm.
But this is African tradition. I'm son of Kimalemba Nzinga. Clan, dad's Kanda. Female, see, lineage. Tata, see. Kanda always, see. I'm Tekelo, grandson of King's clan, maternal granddad's Kanda. Tekelo of grandson of King clan, paternal granddad's Kanda. Kanda, lady. Tata, did you get it?
Mhm.
I hear you, but
You didn't get it. Okay, let me try to go to my PDF file. It's easier to. I did that graph. Yeah, okay. I just hope it will be easy to see. Let me try to quickly to. Okay, I can do it here. It's here. Okay, that's fine. This is Kikongo. Congo people. Tell me if you can read it.
yeah, I can see it.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh no, sorry. Yes. Okay, Congo people, you know, this is my name, yeah? Mono, me. Remember mono, yeah? I, yeah? This is the word mono. Okay, when I say fumu, I mean my. Tell me if you can read it. When I say fumu, tell me.
Yes. Okay. Fumu.
Fumu, this is my clan, matrilineal clan, Kilungu. Then I'm a Fumu from my mom's maternal clan. My mom is Fumu from her maternal clan. My dad is Fumu from his mom's clan. Can you see it? David, can you see it?
The
Too
smaller
small.
ones are hard for me to read very well.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Let me try to make it. Otherwise, we next time I'm going to do another slide.
Yeah, that's a little better.
Tata, can you see Fumu?
Yes, I can see it.
Yeah. Fumu means Lord, nobility, yeah? Lady. I'm from my mom's maternal clan. My mom is from my maternal clan. My dad is from his maternal clan. Kimalimba Zing. Tata, can you read here? I'm Mwana. Mwana means son in English, but there's no same meaning in this context. Tata, please.
Okay.
Mwana.
Mwana.
Kimalemba Nzinga. Mwana Kimalemba Nzinga. I'm Mwana from my dad's mom clan. Can you read it?
I am.
Mom.
No, I am Mwana from my dad's mom clan. Kimalemba Dianzinga. Mom is Mwana from her dad's maternal clan.
Yes.
And then dad is Mwana from his dad's maternal clan.
Yeah, lady. Nengo tell you, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Now Ntekelo means grandson. Tata, if you can read it out, is it clear now? Is it visible?
Yeah, yeah, it is.
Mm.
Tekelo, Kins, and Kink. My dad's mom's clan is Kins. My dad's mom's clan is Kink.
Lady,
So
thank you. Only lady. Nengo tell you. Ndona Nkento Wasina, the queen mother, I mean, quote unquote, the queen mother, moms of moms, see?
Donna came to Wasina, the queen mother. Woman rules in Congo Kingdom. I am Fumu from Luvila of my mom, a woman. I am Mwana from Luvila of my dad's mom, a woman. I am Ntekelo from Luvila of my mom's dad's mom.
Yeah, did you get that? Totally.
I really have to study this. I really need to understand it. Because I mean, I hear a lot about just in passing, but I don't really. It's never been broken down like this to me before. Like,
Yeah, you can't blame them because we relied so much on how do you go oral transmission. How to say oral transmission? Yeah, people didn't write in the past. I mean, you can't blame them. Yeah, you just say something, make sure your children memorize it, then they can transfer it to the next generation. Okay, thank you very much for learning about Congo Kingdom. What we are? I mean, who were before they went to Africa? Yeah, to Tondele.
do we have access to this PDF? I don't know if you shared it
Yeah, I'm
already.
going to I'm emailing you soon. Yeah, when we finish, I'm going to send it right now. Yeah, to Tondele.
Yeah, Tutondele.
Tutondele.
When the Gambote.
Salakiambote.
Musala Kiambote.
Ye pavele mama kisevisa ye mono tusali
Papi Salomo, William Longa, le coordonnateur, Père Mandela. Tony Masudi, Ali Bokuma. Eli Kwayeno. Docteur Nelson Kalaba. Jean-René Bolo. Mamalandu. Magua Kumbo. Philippe Kamango. Lemba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu. Sengo Politisa Keita Kulama Saint-Jean-Dodo na San Diego
Congo